Hello everyone. If you're really looking for a reliable and reasonably priced vertical injection molding machine, you're really in the right place. Welcome to our manufacturing base in Hangzhou. Today, I'll take you on a tour of our factory. Let us start with the components warehouse. All parts are stored by category and managed intelligently to ensure smooth production and guarantee quality from the very source. Next, the pre-assembly area. Some components are assembled and tested here first, and this is the spray painting area. Here, we arrive at the electrical room. The brain and nerves of the equipment are connected here. Finally, the finished products area. Every machine undergoes strict testing and is only delivered once fully qualified, ensuring it is ready for production as soon as you receive it. If you're really looking for a vertical injection molding machine, we're ready to be your reliable partner.